What is up, everyone? Today we have a brand new video for you guys.
We're going to be cleaning and installing the carpet, and then we're also going to give the interior full detail.
It's gonna look good.
I feel like the seat's supposed to go more forward.
Huh? Dang, you're strong. Under the driver's seat was kind of dirty. There's like these little rust flakes.
What is that from?
Yeah. Not sure if you can see me, but right now we're gonna vacuum this area. Alright, so we just got done vacuuming all the loose dirt and little pieces of rust bits that was under the seat.
We're going to put the carpet in, and then we're going to clean it once it's inside.
Nice, clean OEM carpet. Haven't seen anything better than this.
It's a little bit clapped.
Huh?
It's a little clapped.
Yeah, just a tiny bit. Wow.
Is it cut enough to fit?
I don't know, but we're gonna have to find out in a second.
Just cut it more, because I don't want to take the dash out.
Quick break in this video. If you want to support this channel and support the build, make sure to either like, subscribe, or leave a comment down below. We installed it. It's kind of halfway done. We did not remove the dash because we didn't want to do all that work. It looks good for what it is. And over there, she's getting like the door area tucked in as well. It's the first time we use the horn. All right, so the carpet's in, and it's time to now detail the interior of this car.
We just got finished cleaning the carpets, and now we're going to do the seats and the plastics.
Passenger seat going in, carpet's clean, and
Okay, so we got the interior all finished. We ended up not having time to wash it today because it got dark, but we went to AutoZone and we picked up some turn signals, so we're going to put those in right now. We thought that the front and the rear turn signals were the same bulbs, but they're not. So we only have the front turn signal. We have to go back and get the rear one another time. I know, dumb, right?
it happened. We ran into our first actual problem. So we switched out the light bulb and we checked the fuses. The turn signal on the left side still doesn't work. So in the next video, we're going to diagnose and dig deeper into the problem and see if we can fix the issue. So come back next week for another video.